morning, my name is Gravel. I'm the group leader of Group 6. I'm joined by my team members, Rosita, Benta, Lawi, and Timothy. Each of us has contributed to different parts of this project. Our project is a video on peer teaching on the unit introduction to zoology.
I'll start with the evolution. Evolution is the gradual change in characteristic of population from one condition to another over time. There are two types of evolution, that is microevolution and macroevolution. Macro refer to evolutionary changes resulting from accumulation of minor changes in appearance of population over a short period of time, and it occurs within species. It gives rise to geographic races and ecotypes. Agents, we have the agents of microevolution such as mutations and sexual recombination. Microevolution refers to origin and extinction of species. It includes large-scale phyletic changes over geological time. I'd say large-scale phyletic changes over geological time. We have in evolution, we have the adaptive radiation. This is the evolutionary process which is descendant populations spread from an ancestral group into their areas.
Is Benta. I'll be taking you through a topic on classification. Classification refers to the grouping of organisms based on degrees of their similarities. So we are going to start by defining some terms, and the first one is taxonomy. Taxonomy is the science of identifying, naming, and classifying organisms. Taxonomy is the science of identifying, naming, and classifying organisms. Then the second term is systematics. Systematics is the scientific study of the diversity of organisms with the goal of assessing relationships among them. Then our third definition is phylogeny. Phylogeny is the study of evolutionary lineages. Then we go to phylogenetics. Phylogenetics is the analyzing of patterns of relationships and interpreting of origin of organisms. Then our last term is binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature is the system of naming organisms by giving them two scientific names which are Latinized, which consist of the genus and the species name. So in zoology, the system of naming is administered by the International Code of Zoological Nomenclature. Then in binomial nomenclature, there are some rules which are considered while giving organisms the names. So the first one is on stability. When I talk of stability, I mean that the organism should be given a Latin binomial, meaning it should be a two-word name consisting of the genus and the species name, and it should be in Latin, because Latin.
Hello, my name is Laubi Watts. I'm here to take you through the origin of life. We say the life originated from non-living matters in thousands of years, billions, even billions of years ago. So here we have I'll be brief. Here we have the theories of the origin of life. Number one, we have the spontaneous generation theory. It explains that life, rise, life arises directly from non-living matter. For example, the maggots that existed from the rotten meat. Number two, we have the special creation theory. Life was created by supernatural being, God. Number three, we have the chemical evolution theory. That's the modern theory. Also, it's also called the Oparin Haldane theory. Life developed gradually from simple chemicals, complex molecules. Those are the living cells. Where in early Earth conditions, it helped from to form the amino acids, the proteins, nucleic acids. Also, we have the cosmozoic theory. Life came from outer space in the form of spores or microorganisms that carried by the materials or cosmic dust. As also, I'm going to take you through the evidence against the spontaneous generation. Several scientists performed experiments to prove that life does not arise systematically. Number one, we have the Francisco Redi. He was the first one to discover in the year 1968. 1668, not 1968. He placed meat in a jar and then he opened the jar. When he opened the jar, he found the maggots. And that's the evidence that shows that the origin of life. And then
My name is Timothy Osoro. I'm going to talk about prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So to begin with, I want to begin with prokaryotes. Somebody may ask, what are prokaryotes? Prokaryotes are organisms which do not have a well-defined nucleus, or you can say they don't have a true nucleus. So what are examples of these prokaryotes? Examples of prokaryotes, we have bacteria. Example number one is bacteria. We have virus. We have blue-green algae. Those are examples of prokaryotes. We have there is characteristics of prokaryotes. Number one, prokaryotes, they lack a nucleus. The prokaryotes have a single DNA in a nucleoid. They lack membrane-bound organelles. The prokaryotes, most of them have cell wall. They are slim and simple. Those are brief characteristics of prokaryotes. Number two, I want to talk about the eukaryotes. To begin with, what are the prokaryotes? The prokaryotes, these are organisms with a true nucleus, or you can just say they have a well-defined nucleus. What are examples of these eukaryotes? Somebody may ask the examples of nucleus, of eukaryotes, I'm sorry. So we have the animals. Animals have a true nucleus. We have fungi, and we have plants. So those are examples of eukaryotes. So eukaryotes, and these I might state that these are characteristics. Eukaryotes have a true nucleus. So animals, plants, and fungi has got a true nucleus. We have the eukaryotes. They have a membrane-bounded nucleus. Their chromatin has histones. Their chromatins has histones, and those histones are larger. So maybe the origin of eukaryotes, The eukaryotes evolved from anaerobic. They evolved from anaerobic heterotrophic bacteria without cell walls. So they had a nuclear envelope and membrane-bounded organelles.